Is the mic on for sure?
The light is green.
Good. Wait, let's make sure it's plugged in all the way. Plugged in all of the way. The mic is on. Okay. Hello everyone. Today I am joined with Todd. Yes, this is actually our second go of making this dang forsaken video. Yesterday we were filming and I had my mic off the entire time, which was just great. I had a good long destroy myself about it, and now we're back. My dog was in the background for take 2. But today I am going to be filming me doing my sister's makeup. I'm gonna have to re-say that because Bean is drinking in the background. So today we are going to be filming me doing my sister's makeup. Now, she hates getting her makeup done, so I'm lucky to be doing this. Don't lick me! And for not only one time, but 2 times, because like I said, this is the second time I've tried to film this. Now, I'm going to be using some of my own makeup, and I've also rated my mom's makeup, because my mom has a lighter shade of makeup than I do, and she is a lighter shade than both my mom and myself, so I'm hoping that my mom's makeup will be a better match for her. I'm also going to use, oh my, it ran away. These Pro Foundation sponges. I tried it out yesterday. It wasn't as good as my Beauty Blender, I don't think. But I'm gonna give it another go today because it was fun. All right. And I'm using my mom's foundation, which is CoverGirl Clean in Buff Beige, to start out with. You always get so nervous when you watch me put the foundation on the sponge.
That's a lot.
It is not a lot. You said that last time. You said that last time when there was even
Less?
Oh yeah, oh, there was less. Let's do it. Take 2. Oh, I may have gotten the sponge a little too wet. It's okay. Oops. Go like this with your lips. Because I just smeared it all over them. Why are you laughing?
I always do. Because I feel so weird. Especially for like the lipstick part. Because I'm like on them.
How was that? There we go, and I foundationed your lips for you. Aren't you lucky? Foundation's done. She's kind of looking pale in the lip right now. She looks a little dead. But we'll fix that. Don't worry. No, no, no! This is a black shirt. Thank you. Yesterday, by trial and error, I'm not gonna go find it, but I tried to use my mom's concealer and it was downright terrible. Yeah, this. And so I'm just gonna, I ended up using my own concealer anyway, so I'm gonna be using mine. And it is also the Today's going just as well as yesterday.
Actually, no, we never had so many bloopers.
It is also the CoverGirl Clean brand, and it is the Invisible Concealer. Goodness me. Gosh. Oh no, I'm throwing it. All right, so I am just gonna be using So I am just going to be using the other side of the same sponge to blend that in. Maybe. What? Sorry. All right. Open your eyes.
Why? You're gonna stab me.
No, I won't. Another thing we found out is my mom's powder is horrible as well. It's like broken and stuff. So we're gonna be using my powder. It's in the shade medium, but it's like a translucent powder, so it shouldn't make it too dark. It didn't yesterday, so it'll be good. It doesn't show up dark, you know?
Unless you do that.
That should be enough for your whole face. All right.
It should be enough for my whole body.
See? It's raining. Oh my gosh. I just got so much powder. Oh man.
Told you it'd be enough for my whole body.
Pretty much. Sorry.
How's that?
Oh no, my beauty blender! No, not over my black pants!
You did over my black shirt. Look at it.
Sorry. I did get quite a bit just now. Next, we're going in with bronzer. This one is my bronzer. Most of the stuff I'm using is mine. Okay, go like this.
You did that last time. How that went.
I know. You've got to pucker up like this.
Don't make me laugh.
Don't laugh.
You told me not to laugh and then you laugh.
Because it was so funny. I saw myself on the viewfinder and I cracked up. I can't help it. Next on the agenda is blush. My mom, as I mentioned yesterday, has a really, really intense, like, orange colored blush. Like, really intense.
Hey, it showed up.
Yeah, finally. However, because we're trying to keep it simple for this one, who does not like or wear makeup, we're gonna go with mine, and it's a lot paler of a pink color,
I
so.
don't mind extreme eyes.
Yeah, but this is for
I
your
know.
cheek. Right, smile real pretty for the camera.
How's that?
Perfect, darling.
Afraid to open my mouth, you might throw it in there.
I already pretty much did the foundation. Yeah, perfect. Just stay like that. Your hair is everywhere. All right. Look at me. Look at the camera. She looks pretty good so far. All right. Now your favorite part. Your other favorite part. I'm gonna be doing the brows. Now my brow stuff would be way too dark for her blonde hair. And my mom doesn't have any brow stuff, but she has dark hair too, so it wouldn't have mattered anyway. So I'm gonna be taking this lightest shade of brown eyeshadow that I have with this angled brush and just very gently filling in her brows so they aren't too dark in contrast to her very blonde head.
See, it's awkward.
I don't find it awkward because I'm focused on your brows. It won't fill in right there. Why? Oh, there it goes. There's one brow. It looks so funny always with only one brow done. It's okay, we'll fix you right up. Don't do that! I can feel your nose breathing on me.
I can feel you breathing on me.
I just brushed my teeth. As always, they look a little funny before everything else is done, but once everything's done, they'll look more tame and calm. All right. I am going to start with this brown color right here and go on the outer corner. All right. Close your eyes. Okay. All right, this is the part that you love so much. All right, look up.
I'm starting to cry.
Don't do it. All right, now the other side. You can do it. I know it tickles. Everything bothers your eyes when you're not used to makeup.
Oh, that side tickles worse.
No, you can do it. We're almost there.
Oh,
Okay.
I don't know what it is about the right side, but it's so bad.
Is that better?
No, not really.
Aww. Now I'm going in with this gold color on like the whole lid part. Yeah, that made sense. Okay. What are you doing? All right, close your eyes. Stop laughing. Don't. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I'm going in with my little pencil brush and this lightest color here on the end. And we're gonna do some highlight on the inner corner and under the brow. Ready? Done! Alright, there's eyeshadow done. Look how she looks so far. Cute, right? Okay. Now comes her actual favorite part, which is her least favorite, and that's eyeliner. She loves it so much. Can't you tell by the look on her face?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm using my eyeliner. It's just a liquid eyeliner, the Revlon kind. Alrighty, we're going to do a little cat eye. So there's eyeliner, no eyeliner, eyeliner, no eyeliner. Alright, now for the other side. Isn't this fun?
Mm-hmm.
Aren't you having the time of your life?
Mm-hmm.
I knew you would be. For the second time.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm even more thrilled that it's your second time than you did the first. See, easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Now here's the fun part. Another part that you love so much. Mascara! We're gonna be using my mom's mascara because I am like basically out of my own. But it seemed to work. Blink. Blink. Now don't blink and look up.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Yeah, we gotta do the bottom. Remember? The bottom's easy. The bottom's easy. You can do it. Oh
I
no.
was trying to cry.
Don't cry. No crying. Okay. Now we have the lips left. Yesterday, I used this fun stuff. It's a product of my mom's and it's called LipSense. And it's this long-lasting lip color with this like gel stuff that goes on top. It wasn't my favorite yesterday, but we're gonna try it again today and see if it got any better. Now that I kind of know how to use it.
This one's sticky, but this one makes it smooth.
Yes. This one's sticky and dries really like matte, I guess, and this one makes it all smooth and seals it in. Ready for these?
It burns.
It burns us.
Mm.
What?
Okay.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thanks. I speak lipstick, apparently. Oh no, I just smeared it down onto your teeth. Oh no. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Oh no. You can see them just like. Alright, this is the devil. This stuff doesn't come out right. Okay, let's see if we can make it work. Alright. Well, there's not even half of your bottom lip covered. This stuff is just so thick that it doesn't come out with enough product to actually like coat her lip in it. That's everything. Alright, are you ready for this reveal, you guys? Give me a beat. What, a beat? I mean a drum roll, please. What do you guys think? How she look? She looks cute, doesn't she? There we go. How do you feel having your makeup done?
Again?
Again, for the second day in a row. I think you look good. I like it. And now you never have to do it again.
Oh, good.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Also, give this video a thumbs up for having to film it a second time. And if you guys like her makeup, also comment down below any thoughts or comments that you may want to leave or have. And subscribe to my channel if you're not. Push that little bell button down there at the bottom to get notified every single time I upload. And I shall see you guys next time. Bye! Don't!